everybody, welcome back to Frog Quality. This is part 2 of Rainy Day, Beyblade Away. It's raining, I'm in quarantine, and it's raining like twice as hard as it ever has. So I'm gonna get my walkout, and I'm gonna get some Beyblades. Oh, cool. A cicada shell. That's neat. I got my apple juice. And I got my Beyblades. So we're gonna have Flower Valkyrie, 12 Custom Cross, no, this is regular Cross, Cross Hunter, Legend Spriggan, this tip, this frame, this disc. We're going to be having this bad boy up, Longinus L3, with the spike tip, I don't know, in the upper frame. Bushinashindra, let me get him put it back together. Bushinashindra, I think that's Hurricane, Vortex, I don't know what the tip is, but then we're going to have Demites 7 Volcanic. We're going to have Phoenix 4 Vortex, I don't know, Claw, I think that's what this is called. And, let's see, Erase Diabolos 0 Meteor Press. That's a left spin Beyblade, and finally our second left spin Beyblade, Soul 11 Frugal, not Frugal, it's the Wish Wish one, the air or something, and then we're gonna have Destroy. So all of my right spin Beyblades will be launched on this launcher. All left spins will be on this launcher. Alright, let's get started. Shake out some water. This is my no-stick wok pan. This one has a special no-stick coating to it, so all of the little rain droplets will pool at the bottom. And alright, let's see who our first two competitors will be. It'll be Flower Valkyrie versus Bushinashindra. If they land in the water, immediate knockout. Everything is going to be a best of 3. Go shoot. Go shoot. Oh, looks like a Shindra. That is 1 point Valkyrie. Flower power for the win. Valkyrie going up first. Go shoot, and go shoot. Oh, both really big hits. That's 2 points. Two points of Shindra, 1 point Valkyrie. Oh, a big hit, and looks like, no. Actually, a Shindra is going to regain balance. And that is 2-2. Halfway to bursting. Nowhere near bursting. Oh wait, one little click. Alright. Oh, some big hit. Is the Shindra going to ring out? No, he's going to restabilize. Both Beyblades seem to have lost a lot of stamina. Oh, but Flower Power loses. Alright, so that is going to be a Shindra for the win. Valkyrie will go into the loser's bracket. Next two Beyblades, Longinus versus Friesen. Okay, Longinus going up first. Oh, Longinus knocked out. Longinus' tip was not damaged from hitting the concrete because it landed on the metal, which is very nice. Oh. All right. Surprised it isn't looking too hot. Lost a lot of energy. Both Beyblades equalizing, and it's going to be Longinus 1 point. Surprising 2, Longinus 1. Still getting used to this stadium. This takes you a little while. Oh, those were some large hits. And Longinus was sent out into the water. And Surprise's tip kept going. Yep. That's been ruined. Went all across the concrete. Alright. Surprising is the winner. Now wait a minute. Surprising bursted before Longinus hits the water, so Longinus is the winner. Although, now that I think about it, the water is supposed to be like an inevitable, like 100% knockout, which means they cannot re-enter the battle. So therefore, Surprising is the winner by default. It's going to be Phoenix versus Left Astros, I think. Go shoot. Phoenix Armor is out of the stadium and into the water. That means it will not be coming back. Both lots of little love taps. This water is not doing well for either one of the Beyblades. And that is going to be Phoenix for the win. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh man, Phoenix out into the water. Okay, that was boring. So let's make not Diablos. Let's make Demites versus Erase Diablos a bit more interesting. Diablos up first. Oh, and that was a burst finish. Go shoot, that was a good launch. Demites has built up some steam. And it seems like Diablos is the winner. 3 points, Diablos. Here are our Beyblades. Left Astros, Bushin Arashi, Erase Diablos, and Legend Spriggan. Get some water out. All right, there we go. Let's see who's going up against who. And it's going to be Left Astros versus Erase Diablos and Bushin Arashi versus Legend Spriggan. So let's get these two out of the way. Oh, Arashi hits the water. Arashi is knocked out of the game. Ah. Now, let's see here. With Arashi out of the game, that means that Legend Spriggan moves on into the final battle. Alright, Erase Diablos versus Left Astros. Okay, so my camera cut out when it happened, but Erase Diabolos fell in the water, so therefore Astros is moving on. So it's going to be Legend Spriggan versus Astros. But we're going to take a quick peek into the losers bracket. Flower Valkyrie versus the Mighties. Alright. It looks like, oh, Flower Valkyrie may win this. The Mighties had less stamina than I thought he did. Alright. Flower Valkyrie going up 1 point. Oh, the Mighty's cutting up. Oh, dealt a lot of damage, but took even more. Halfway to bursting, Flower Valkyrie. Flower Valkyrie gets out of the losers bracket. All right, final battle. Well, semi-final battle. Go. I swear there's something wrong with these Beyblades. This never used to happen with Metal Fight. Go shoot. Go shoot. Oh, and that's... Okay. So... both Beyblades went in the water. So there are two different rulings that go into play. Left Astros went in before, Legend Spriggan did. And more of Legend Spriggan was out of the water by 1 piece than Left Astros was. So technically that's a win for Legend Spriggan. So Legend Spriggan wins this round of Rainy Day Beyblade Away 2. And now we're going to see these two battle against each other. Let's go ahead and get all the water out. Go shoot. Go shoot. Oh! Valkyrie simply throws Legend Spriggan out. Go shoot. Go shoot. Oh! Same! Both Beyblades just tossing each other around. Go shoot. Oh! And that was Legend Spriggan first. So that means Flower Valkyrie is the winner. We'll do a couple more battles. Wait, what time is the video at? Oh, this is already 20 minutes long. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching. Yeah, just thanks for watching, and tune in next time. Let me know if you want to see more Rainy Day battles. If there's anything you liked about this video, let me know. If there's anything you disliked about this video, let me know. And yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye. Oh yeah, someone asked that I do this, so I will.
Egg fried rice need to use wok because you need the wok hay. Many people asking Uncle Roger, what is wok hay? It is the breath of wok. When you cook with wok, the wok gives the food flavor. Get the wok hay. No thing as saucepan hay.
Flower Valkyrie is the winner again.